G'day, welcome to Matt's Workshop. Today we're going to do a small project on the CNC laser, and we're going to find homes for these guys. So stick with me. I'm going to design a little display stand using a LightBurn, and then cutting it out and assembling it to make a display stand for these little Lego men. So let's get into it. So those are my plans done. So if we have a look at them, I've got the front piece and the back of the box. This will be made out of MDF. The inserts will also be made out of MDF, and the pieces here will be made out of white solid 3mm acrylic, and just for a bit of sparkle I've got some mirror acrylic that'll be going on the back. So 3 different materials. So I'm actually going to send these to the laser cutter and see how we go. So that was a fun little project, just something cool, exciting, just for the kids to display their Lego men in. It contains, 10 of those, and we've cut it out with the mirror on the back, some little inserts as you've seen, They are just measured up for the Lego men to stand on, and I've enjoyed doing it. Hope you like it. If you do, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and put the bell on so you get notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, take care. Cheers.